What's up, guys? This is Luis, Shear Productions. This is Hannah, we're here. This is my model. I'm gonna go over just a little bit what we did with her foil work. You'll be able to see it a little better once I blow dry all the dimension we have through it. It's still wet right now. We really focused on brightening her face around her hairline. She is a college student, so she won't be able to be committed to being in the salon. So I wanted to give her something that's gonna work longevity-wise and not a huge commitment into the salon. So we decided to do more of a sun-kissed look, give her pops around her face, and then we threw teasy lights and baby lights all through the interior, and yeah, we played around and had fun. I think it's gonna work awesome for her busy schedule and not being able to be committed to being in the salon. I think overall I tried to stay within 20 to 25 foils within the bigger sections and then 10 foils within her smaller areas of her head. So placement wise, I'm gonna kind of section so you guys can see what we did today. We can see all the dimension through there. If I split this open, we have all that seamless. Like I said, we want it really soft. We want it more lived in. I'm going to curl using the Unite texture spray, and I'm also going to, I like to keep the ends out of my curl, which I'll show you guys, and I like to alternate my curls as well to give it more of a, no curl pattern is the same, so I like to give it more of a natural look. My sections are pretty wide. I don't want them super tight like prom curls or anything. first two curls are gonna be away from her face, just so it opens it up a little. I'm gonna keep this out here. Away from her face. Keeping the ends out. Swing to her face. Still keeping the ends out some. So this foiling technique too was also, it's just a refresher. She had previous lightened hair, and I just added about, again, 45 total foils, 40 foils total. Again, still alternating every curl, one forward, one back, leaving the ends out to give it more of that beachier, lived-in curl. I like using the 1¼ barrel just because I feel like it gives me more of a, the look I'm going for. I feel like it's not too loose of a curl, but it's not too tight. It gives me more of the lived-in curl I'm going for, and what girls are going for. We want the effortless look. I feel like we want the I did my hair, but I didn't do my hair concept. So I think this tool for me, that's why I like using the 1 1/4. It's pretty universal too. You can use it on multiple lengths of hair. So the reason I'm leaving the ends out on the hair is, again, for the look I'm going for. I don't want it to look too done. I want it to look more like, when I'm done, I want it to look like her hair is naturally beach wavy and she lives close to the water, and she's just naturally has a sun-kissed sea salt look to her hair. So that's the main reason I keep the ends out on the hair. It should last, you know, till your next wash, that being 5 days from now, that being tomorrow. Again, the products have a lot to do with the longevity of your style that you're doing. Using the right products, I mean, can make your style last for days and days and days and days. Especially when you're using a hot tool. I mean, so when her hair was wet, you couldn't see all the dimension through it. I use more of a teasy light technique. I was very selective on her hair. She's a natural level 6, 7, I would say. Just to get those pops, I really focused on not a placement, but where I'm placing my highlight points. She was previously lightened, and I just wanted to enhance her look. And I think we did that with the pops and ribbons of color that we gave her. just the product, the Blonde Solutions truly does help. So with these curls, I'm also going to, we're not gonna leave them so defined. I'm gonna brush them out and give you more of that beachy look I was talking about. I think now you can see all the dimension we put through it.